This is a technique to double up your matrix to push your chi so you can have a faster result using your home kit. So when you're following your matrix of choice, whether it's one of the 12-point included matrix or customized from your Chi Beauty practitioner, follow the points as indicated, and once you've applied each point, go back and put a second micromagnet onto the point where you would like extra attention. So if this is an anchoring point, if you need to pull upwards, put a double up point on that, or if you'd like to put it on the entire matrix, you can do that as well. This is a really handy technique if you would like to give yourself a quick treatment before an event, or if you are short on time. It will also increase the absorption of your skincare products, so remember to apply your skin nutrients. I love using a serum like anti-age or fade and then following it with the intense oil for the linoleic acid. That's amazing for your skin barrier and the stratum corneum to repair your skin as well.